So here we have to find the absolute maximum and the absolute minimum values of the function f given by f of x, that is equal to cos square x plus sin x, where x belongs to 0 to pi. So now first we need to find uh, those values of x where f dash x is equal to 0 or f dash x is not defined. So it means that now we need to find the first we need to find the critical points. Find the critical points of the function f. Critical points of the function f of x. It means where the points where f dash x is either equal to 0 or f dash x is not defined. Dash x is not defined. And then we need to find and then we need to find the value of the function f of x at those at these critical points also, at these critical points and at the end points also, and at the end points. It means at x equal to 0 and at x equal to pi. The end points also we need to find. So now therefore f of x, that is equal to cos square x plus sin x. So from here first we need to find f dash x. F dash x will be equal to 2 cos x into minus sin x plus cos x, and that should be equal to 0. So it means that we can say that cos x I can take as common, then this will be minus 2 sin x plus 1, that should be equal to 0. It means that either I can say cos x equal to 0, or we can say that sin x, that is equal to 2 sin x equal to 1. It means sin x equal to half. It means that x should be equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, or x should be equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n pi by 6, where n belongs to z. Here we can write m also, where n comma m belongs to z. So now therefore we need to find therefore the critical points in this interval, in this given interval we have to find. So therefore x can be equal to pi by 2, or if we put m equal to 0 here, then it will be pi by 6, and it will be 1 we can put. So if we put 1, then that will be pi minus pi by 6, that is 5 pi by 6. And 2 we cannot put, since it will be more than 2 pi then. Okay. Or here we can take, okay, 3 pi by 2 we cannot take. Okay. So these are the three critical points. Therefore, f dash pi by 2, that is equal to f dash pi by 6, that is equal to f dash 5 pi by 6, that is equal to 0. So these are the three critical points, and at all points f dash x is defined. So these are the only three critical points. So now therefore f double dash x, that will be equal to now d by dx of cos x into 1 minus 2 sin x, cos x into 1 minus 2 sin x. So that will be equal to minus sin x into 1 minus 2 sin x, then plus cos x into 0 minus 2 cos x. So that will be equal to minus sin x, then plus 2 sin square x, then minus 2 cos square x. So this will be 2 into sin square x minus cos square x minus sin x. So this is f double dash x. So now so f double dash pi by 2, f double dash pi by 2, that will be equal to 2 sin pi by 2, that is 1, cos pi by 2 is 0, and minus sin pi by 2 is 1. This is 2 minus 1, that is 1, which is greater than 0. So I can say that x equal to pi by 2 is a point of local minima, of the function f of x. Okay. And then we have to find f double dash pi by 6 also. So that will be 2 into sine pi by 6, that is 1 by 2 whole square. Then minus cos pi by 6, that is cos 30 root 3 by 2 whole square. Then minus sine pi by 6, that is half. Okay, so this will be 2 into 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4 minus half. So that is 2 into minus 2 by 4, that is minus half. So that is minus 1 minus half, that is minus 3 by 2, which is less than 0. So therefore, x equal to pi by 6 is a point of local maxima of the function f. Point of local maxima of the function f of x. And then similarly, f double dash 5 pi by 6, f double dash 5 pi by 6, that will be equal to 2 into, now sine 5 pi by 6 is half square minus cos 5 pi by 6, that is also, that is actually minus root 3 by 2. So minus root 3 by 2 whole square minus this is half. So that will be 2 into same value will come, which is minus 3 by 2, which is less than 0. So it means that therefore x equal to 5 pi by 6 is also a point of local maxima. 5 pi by 6 is also a point of, local maxima of the function f of x. Local maxima of the function f of x. And then we need to find the value of uh, we have to find the value of this function f at these critical points. So now, therefore, f of pi by 2, that will be equal to, that is 2 cos square x plus sin x. So that is cos square pi by 2 plus sin pi by 2. So that will be equal to 0 plus 1, that is 1. And then f of pi by 6, that will be equal to cos square pi by 6 plus sin pi by 6. So that will be equal to cos pi by 6, that is root 3 by 2 whole square, plus sin pi by 6, that is 1 by 2. So that is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2, that is 2 by 4, that is 5 by 4. And similarly, f of 5 pi by 6 also, that will be cos square 5 pi by 6. Now cos pi minus pi by 6 means it is minus cos pi by 6 plus sin pi by 6, that is equal to, this will be minus root 3 by 2 whole square plus half. So that will be also the same, 3 by 4 plus 2 by 4, that is equal to 5 by 4. And then we need to find the value of the function at the endpoints. It's f of 0, that is cos square 0 plus sin 0. So that is 1 square plus 0, that is 1. And then we have to find f of pi also, that will be cos square pi plus sin pi. So that will be also cos pi is minus 1 whole square plus 0, that is 1. So out of these, the highest value is 5 by 4 and the minimum value is 1. So therefore, we can say that the absolute maximum value, absolute maximum value of the function f of x in the interval 0 to pi is 5 by 4, and the absolute minimum value and the absolute minimum value of the function f, absolute minimum value of the function f of x in the interval 0 to pi is 1. So these are the answers. So hope you have understood. Thank you.